Welcome back to another episode of What is Jen going to talk about now? If you've been following me a while, you know I am the founder of the Sugar Freedom Method, something I actually really want to talk about today, which is sugar freedom. I've been a health coach over 20 years, mom of 3, and I'm almost 50 at the time of recording this for you. So thank you for being here. If you're new to me and you like my work, I always say now or at the end of this training video, please subscribe to my work. I would love to have you join my community. And now on to the important stuff. Jen, what is sugar freedom? Because I know a lot of people who have been, let's just say coincidentally, using sugar freedom coaching, sugar freedom experts, sugar freedom. And so my sugar freedom is very different than everybody else's sugar freedom, all right? And so what I talk about with sugar freedom is how to have control of your sugar. So if you want to have something, some sweets, some ice cream, even in wine is sugar, that you're able to learn how to unhook from sugar. I truly do believe sugar is a socially acceptable legalized drug. And with that comes ways that we better learn how to unhook if it's a drug. Because we know if anyone who used to smoke, 70s, 80s, 90s, maybe you still smoke, no judgment. And for sure, alcohol, yes, people, God bless if you're off alcohol and this is like the last leg of the addiction. God bless, I'm glad you're here. But it's addictive, the way those other things are addictive, okay? It's just socially acceptable, so it's a little different. But for me, sugar freedom, it's about being able to have it and unhooking. And while there's many, many pieces to having sugar freedom, really, the point of today and talking to you is I want you to know it's possible. Now, for some, they have to really watch how much, how frequently, right? How often. And for others, similar to where I'm at now, my sensitivity is less, but I do still need to make sure it's not eaten every day because I always say I come from a family history of addiction, depression and anxiety, and I could get addicted to shopping. I could get addicted to going to the gym. I could get addicted to anything healthy or not healthy. So if that is you, just know you're in the right place. And please know that my version of sugar freedom is being able to have it. I have seen over the last 20 years that it's possible for 99 out of 100 people. That's a true statistic. There's always that one person, that 1%, who it is absolutely 100% a drug, the way alcohol is for alcoholics, right, who have this sensitivity where they just can't have it. So I need you today to decide if that's the case. But what I want to leave you with is that not all sugar is created equal. And some of us can tolerate, like I can tolerate a little bit of coconut sugar over cane sugar any day of the week. I cannot do stevia or monk fruits or any of these erythritol, these alcohols. They absolutely make me feel very sick and they hook me in a very weird way. So you get to decide for you which sugars can work and which ones won't. But sugar freedom absolutely is possible, especially given how I teach. And I'll just throw in there real quick. There are links somewhere below my videos with what is the Sugar Freedom Method and my Freedom Club, yes, which is a very affordable place to learn the secrets of the method so that you can live a life where you feel free and not always feeling like you have to be so obsessed, okay, with what you eat and drink. I live that life. I teach that work, and I am so grateful you found me or you're in my world. So if that's you, hang out with me as long as you'd like. Subscribe to my work so we can stay in touch. And as always, I will be back in touch soon.